play. Look at all the toys on my feet that Bria has brought over because she wants Sky to play with her. What's the matter? She won't play with you, Bri? She won't play with you, will she? Aww, it's okay. It's okay. She's just sitting right here looking all cute and everything, but she won't play with her friend. Maybe she will. Look. Oh, yay. Look at that. Oh, yay. She's going to play with you, Bria. Yay. Good girls. Good puppies.